Trunk or Treat is October 29th at the Hickory Hill campus immediately following the worship experience. Bring the kids for games, face painting, arts and crafts, food, and more. We're accepting candy donations for Trunk or Treat until October 29th. Leave them at the Nudie Kids Welcome Desk. The monthly meeting for the Memphis Interfaith Coalition for Action and Hope is October 10th at Tipple, Israel at 7 p.m. And a one-day training event is coming up October 28th, 9 a.m. to 3 at the Hickory Hill campus. Come learn the basics of community organizing and essential strategies for building in Memphis. Reserve your spot at the training by going to micamemphis.org. The Men of Memphis Unity Conference is co-ed this year. Join us October 24th through the 26th for 3 nights of powerful teaching at 7 p.m. The conference will be at New Direction October 25th. Disciples of Christ is hosting a series of town hall meetings for all DOC congregations in Tennessee. Go to the meeting at Collierville Christian Church October 30th or Central Christian Church November 1st to find out about the vision, direction, and partnerships for your denomination. Food will be served. You can go to intonewdirection.org/bulletin to register. Croc Memphis is inviting you to its Spirit of the Heart Health and Education Fair. Get free health screenings, fun for the whole family, and meet their health ambassador, Lamont Rucker. It's November 4th, 11 a.m. to 4. You can get the latest information about all these events by following New Direction on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and intonewdirection.org/bulletin. Have a blessed week.
Here we go.